Stick with me, because I'm not just going to show you a flashy end result. Covering what to do, what tools to use, and realistic expectations for each step. Welcome to Phase 1, Days 1 to 30. This is your foundation month. Your goal here isn't to make thousands of dollars. It's to build a skill and land your very first client. Now for the tools. Don't get overwhelmed by the thousands of AI tools out there. For this first month, you only need 2. First, ChatGPT. Second, you need a good grammar checker, like the free version of Grammarly. So, what do you do for 30 days? You practice? Day 1, you might ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about the benefits of morning meditation. Then, you edit it, you fact-check it, you improve the flow, and you inject some personality. You're building a portfolio of work, even if it's just for yourself right now. Now, let's talk about getting that first client. In week 3, once you're feeling confident, we're going to use what I call the direct value method. We're not going to cold email people begging for a job. Instead, you're going to find small businesses you genuinely like. Look for ones with a weak blog or inactive social media. Pick one business. Let's say it's a local yoga studio. Go to their website and see if their blog has been updated recently. If not, you're in luck. Use your new skills to write a fantastic SEO-optimized blog post for them, like 5 yoga poses to relieve back pain. Then send them an email. Don't say, "Hey, hire me." Say something like, "Hi, I'm a huge fan of your studio and noticed your blog has been updated in a while. I love what you do, so I took the liberty of writing a sample post I thought your audience would enjoy. Here it is, no strings attached. If you like it, I'd love to chat about how I can help create more content like this for you regularly." Realistically, in this first month, your goal is to land just 1 to 2 clients. Maybe it's a small recurring project for $200 a month, or a one-off project for $150. Here, look at my screen. This is an actual invoice from when I first started. Just a simple $100 for a few social media posts. It's not a huge number, but it's proof of concept. It's your first dollar earned with AI, and that feeling is what will fuel you for the next phase. So, to recap Phase 1, pick 1 skill, master 2 tools, practice daily, and land 1 client by giving value first. That's your mission. All right, you made it through the first 30 days. Welcome to Phase 2, Days 31 to 60. This is the scaling phase. You've got your first client, you've proven the concept, and now it's time to build momentum and streamline your process. Your goal for this month is to go from that first couple $100 to a consistent $1,000 per month. How do we do that? First, we need to productize your service. Instead of offering custom quotes for everything, you're going to create simple packages. For example, A basic blog package with 4 AI-assisted human-edited blog posts a month, $4,400. This makes it super easy for clients to say yes. They know exactly what they're getting and for how much. Now let's upgrade our tools. It's time to invest some of that initial income back into the business. Your focus for this month is twofold: refining your workflow and expanding your client base. For your workflow, create templates. What's your process for writing a blog post? What are the exact steps, from research and prompting to editing and final delivery? Document it. This not only makes you faster, but also prepares you to potentially hire help down the line. Go back to your first client and do an amazing job. Exceed their expectations. Then, at the end of the month, ask for a testimonial, a simple quote, or even a short video. Social proof is incredibly powerful. At the same time, you're going to create a simple one-page website. It just needs to clearly state who you are, what you do, display your packages, and feature that shiny new testimonial. You're not trying to become a huge influencer. You're just sharing your journey. Share tips on how businesses can use AI. Talk about your process. You are positioning yourself as an expert. This will start to attract inbound leads. Let's say you have 3 clients paying you $350 a month each. That's $1,050 a month. You can see the recurring payments starting to come in. It's no longer a one-off project. It's a real, predictable business. You've built a solid client base and are making a consistent $1,000 a month. Now, it's time to double that and set yourself up for long-term growth. How do we achieve this? The key is to build systems and leverage. First, let's analyze your time. Is it scheduling the posts? Identify the most time-consuming, repetitive tasks. The big move in this phase is to make your first hire. No, not a full-time employee, a virtual assistant or VA. Remember that SOP you created in Phase 2? Now you can hand that to your VA. They can handle the initial AI content generation, the first round of edits, or scheduling all the social media posts. This frees you up to focus on high-value tasks, client strategy, sales, and growing the business. You're now making a profit on your time and scaling beyond the hours you have in a day. This allows you to do one crucial thing: raise your prices. For new clients coming in, you'll be charging your new, higher rates. You're no longer the beginner offering a cheap deal. You're an expert with a proven track record, testimonials, and a professional system. Landing just 1 or 2 new clients at a higher price point, say $500 to $700 a month, will easily push you over the $2,000 threshold, especially since your VA is handling a lot of the work for your existing clients. Here's a look at my dashboard from month 3. You can see the total revenue has crossed the $2,000 mark. But more importantly, if you look at my time tracking app, my own hours worked on client fulfillment actually went down. That's the power of building systems. So there you have it. The 90-day blueprint to go from $0 to $2,000 a month with AI in 2026. Phase 1 is about getting your first win. If this blueprint was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And for more deep dives into building your AI-powered business, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be sharing even more advanced strategies in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.